Here we go, Tournament of Champions, practice day. I think we have a clinic tonight too. But we're here at North Star Pro Shop, home of the Donnie Difference. It's our cameraman for the week.
The jersey?
It's the Bassy. What's up? If there's anything wrong with the footage this week, blame it. This is the man, the Donnie Difference.
Donnie Difference, I sure hope I am.
Yeah, we're at, where are we? North Star Pro Shop?
North Star Pro Shop, Riviera Lanes.
Bang.
Fair Lawn, Ohio.
If you're far enough away from TV Bowling Supply, you come here. Freshy fresh.
The fresh. My, old guy, oh, it was over here. I put it back in my bag. The old guy, she was getting a little tired. A lot of games. A lot of games on that one, so same layout.
2.0.
Same
US
layout.
Open 2.0.
Hey, we can run it back. Maybe that's what I was missing this year. I just needed a new one.
I drill a new one every year. Like a urethane fest, like always here, which is why I probably typically bowl pretty good. We drilled another pitch black. We're probably going to drill more, but we've got some options so far, and we're just going to keep searching for more options because we want to fill all the holes, so we're ready for whatever we see. I wonder how many of the comment coaches are here. Because one of the kids just told me I'm throwing it better. I am throwing it better, so he's not wrong, but still. But we're gonna get food because we're doing the clinic tonight. There's a junior clinic. So it's nice I get to knock that out and I don't have to do it at the end of the week. Not saying I don't want to, but it's nice to kind of get out of the way.
Give it up for Darren Tang.
Back qualifying day one at the Tournament of Champions. This is our week. This is where we turn it around. Right?
Maybe.
Oh my god, I hate this guy.
Alright guys, game 4. Not looking good right now. He's minus a lot. A couple big games could help him get back in it, but he's starting off with 7 spare, 9 spare, 9 spare, 9 spare. So hopefully he can figure something out. We got the great Brad Miller here. He had a little moonlight in the Flow Bowling booth.
Who's the camera for, Darren?
Darren, yeah.
Nice. I'm actually thinking about going back to the booth, to be honest. Kyle's good. He don't need me. I don't know what I'm
Darren
talking about
does.
anyway. Darren needs me?
Darren and Chris need you.
Dude, what am I going to tell him? I don't know what balls to throw. I don't know where they should play. I don't know how they should think. I don't even know what I should do.
About as miserable a finish as possible. Almost saved it there, but kind of gave it all back. Just got to keep moving forward. It could have been a lot worse, but we just got to get in the right balls. And we'll be comfortable. I've been bowling very uncomfortable lately. Yeah, it's not good, but there's a lot of game left. And unfortunately, we have time. So hopefully, we're not digging ourselves a hole too deep like we have been lately. Talk game plan with the Donnie difference. I think we're gonna try to do a UFO alert, a reality, and an axiom if we can. And just gonna do another pitch black, like one of the old ones I used to have, which I like a lot. So we'll see. All right, not the start we're hoping for. I'm 35 under, at 120 and change off the number. Chris didn't do so well either. And we'll get these balls done tomorrow, see some different shapes. I thought we were close. Just kind of got put in positions where it made us throw some bad shots. So we'll come back tomorrow and do a better job. We're gonna make this cut still. My brain needs to be better, so I'm gonna try to be positive about it. We'll see you tomorrow.